All right, so you've now joined and you've created a ThingLink account, and you should end up on a screen that looks something like this that says you have joined my students. You can click thanks and it will get rid of that little tab. All right, now you have 4 different options for how you're going to import the photo that you're using for your reproduction, the image that you're using for your reproduction. So you're going to click on Web. And here it's giving you an option to copy and paste a link. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up a new tab. You're going to go to Google. And you're going to search for the image that you're reproducing. So this is the image that you've chosen to do for your reproduction. Whoops. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and search for the Campbell's soup can. That's the image that I'm reproducing for my art history project, and I'm going to find the painting. Here it is, and then I'm going to select View Image. Once I click View Image, it opens it up in a new tab for me, and I've got the URL or the web address up here. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to go over to back to my ThingLink tab, and I'm going to paste that image. And then I'm going to select Tag This Media. It takes a couple seconds to open it up, but now we're in the tagging zone. So this is where you're actually going to create your ThingLink. So the first thing you need to do is you need to write your name. So you're going to label the title of your work is going to be your name, the name of the actual artwork, and the name of the artist who created it. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click anywhere on your image to create your first tag. Now you're required to create 6 different tags. So I want to show you some of the options that you have for your tags. So the first tag that I'm going to create is my bio tag. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open up a new tab, and I'm going to find a picture of Andy Warhol that I'd like to use. All right, so I'm going to use this image of Andy Warhol, and again I'm going to click on View Image, and I'm going to select copy the URL from the top of the page, and then I'm going to go back to my ThingLink. And here I'm going to paste that URL, and I'm going to select small image. That's how big I want it to pop up. Now you've got a couple of options here. I want you to notice where up here where it says icon image, you can change what the icon looks like. So because this is a photo, I'm going to use the little camera icon. But you can use any of the icons that you want. And now the requirement is that you need to enter the name of your artist plus his or her birth date, birthplace, and death date and death place if you can find that information. If you can't find that information, obviously you're not going to be including it. Or if you can only find the birth day, the birth year, that's fine. You can just include that. So I've got some information here. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste it into the text section. There it is. All right, so you're also going to add the death, place, and date if you can find it. Now you can scroll down here and look at some of the advanced settings if you like, including how you can change the fonts. And then once you finish your tag, you're going to select Save. All right, let's create my next tag. So I know that I also need a tag. Oh, where did the camera go? Let's go back here. There we go. All right, so I know that I also need a tag that includes a video. So I'm going to go ahead and go to YouTube, and I'm going to find a video that I like. And you have so many different options here. I mean, it could just be a video, like a slideshow of their work. So maybe I would search Andy Warhol slideshow. And here's a 14-minute slideshow. That's a bit much. Here's a short slideshow on Andy Warhol featuring a variety of works. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to copy the URL at the top of the page. Let's just pause the video. Then I'm going to go back to my ThingLink, paste that in, and it already has the information down here, the text. So I'm just going to go ahead and select Save. I've got 2 pins, or 2 tags. Oh, but I forgot to change the icon image here. So for this one, I'm going to use the YouTube icon image. And there it is. Let's create another tag. All right, and I'll go ahead and change the icon for this one. I'm going to be linking to my Google Slides, which feature interesting facts about the artist. So maybe I'll use this exclamation point as my icon. And I'm going to go ahead and open up my Google Drive. and here is my interesting facts about Andy Warhol. So I'm going to open that up. I'm going to copy the URL. I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to paste it. And here we go. It even included the text already, and there is the image. I'm going to select Save. All right, now I've done 3 of my tags. I need to do 3 more tags, and these are going to be about the elements and principles. So tune into the next video to learn how to do those tags.